Hello! We are back with another fun activity! And so we're going to make another sensory bottle for Steampunk. We've got a bottle with water. We've got a cup to pour some water, a funnel for the glitter, some glue, and lots of additional items.
Yes. So,
remind me what to do, Kimberly.
let's pour as much water as we can into our little cups here. Keeping just a little bit left in.
That's really just a little.
Okay, so while Erin's doing that, the next step doesn't have to go exactly as it is. We learned from the last one to do half a bottle of glue. So I'm going to put half in, and if Erin wants to start with her glitter, she can, or her sequins, or whatever she wants to do. So Erin's putting her extras in. I have half a bottle of glue. And then so Erin gets the other half of the bottle of glue when she's ready. And the reason I went with the black, the gold, and the espresso brown was because it kind of reminds me of old school movies, the sepia brown colors and the black and white of black and white movies. Alright, now once you have all your water in, give it another shake.
Colors are perfect. I don't know if it's the shape of the bottle makes it look like fireworks.
That's fine. And the more we shake it up, for sure, the less chunky the glue will be.
Yeah, you don't see the stuff as much. So it's more for sound in this one.
Mm-hmm. Where the fish, the one for Megalodon, it worked. I can see for sure whenever it's shaking, I can see the sequins. But I did put a lot of sequins in mine.
Yeah, I think you put more than me. They're pretty, and they're fun, and they're easy.
And even if you're not using them as a sensory other than a sound sensory, they are snow globes. So you made a steampunk snow globe. We'll see you next time. Show us your sensory bottles that you make.